Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Modern Warfare. First, familiarize yourself with the controller. The left stick controls movement, and the right stick aims your weapon. Use the L2 button to aim down sights and R2 to fire. Press the left stick to sprint, and circle to crouch or hold to prone. Mastering these basic movements and actions is crucial for survival and success in any match. Next, let's dive into core gameplay mechanics. Always keep an eye on your minimap. Red dots indicate enemy gunfire or UAV pings. Different game modes, like Team Deathmatch or Domination, require varied strategies. Choose a loadout that suits your playstyle, perhaps an assault rifle for mid-range engagements or a shotgun for close quarters. Experiment with perks to enhance your abilities, such as Ghost for stealth or E.O.D. for explosive resistance. Now, let's explore some advanced tactics. Slide canceling is a key movement technique. It allows you to reset your tactical sprint and move faster. Always use cover to your advantage, peeking corners and avoiding open areas. Effective communication with your teammates is vital for success, especially in objective-based modes. Call out enemy locations and coordinate pushes to secure victory. These skills will significantly elevate your gameplay. Finally, focus on refining your aim and situational awareness. Experiment with your controller sensitivity settings to find what feels best for you. A lower sensitivity often helps with precision. Pay attention to common enemy routes and spawn points to anticipate engagements. Watching kill cams can provide valuable insights into how opponents are playing and where they are positioned. Consistent practice will lead to significant improvements in your overall performance.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.